Now let's see this question. Bipin's and Mithun's incomes are in the ratio of 7:5. Their expenditures are in the ratio of 2:3. How much does Bipin save? So they're asking how much is Bipin going to save. So saving is nothing but income minus expenditure, right? So that is what we are supposed to find out. Now the information given in the first statement is Mithun's expenditure is rupees 6,000 and Bipin saves 4/7 of his income. So to start with, we can assume that Bipin's income is X. Let's assume Bipin's income is X, right? So Bipin's income, let it be equal to X, right? Now he is saying that Bipin saves 4/7 of his income, therefore his saving, so Bipin's saving is equal to 4/7 of X. If this is the saving and if this is the income, what could be his expenditure? So as you know, expenditure is nothing but income minus saving, therefore you are going to get this. Bipin's expenditure is equal to X minus 4/7 into X, so you are going to get 3x/7. This is what you are going to get. So this is the expenditure of Bipin. Now he is saying that Mithun's expenditure is 6,000 rupees. So also in the question they have given that their expenditures are in the ratio of 2:3. So Bipin's expenditure is to Mithun's expenditure is already given as 2:3, right? And now they are saying that Mithun's expenditure is 6,000. So Bipin's expenditure divided by 6,000 is equal to 2/3. Now what do you get? Bipin's expenditure is equal to 4,000 rupees, right? Now that expenditure is nothing but 3x/7, isn't it? So I am equating directly this one as 4,000 because both are same, isn't it? Here also we got Bipin's expenditure and here also we got Bipin's expenditure, and so we are going to get X as, I think, 28,000 divided by 7, 3. Alright. Okay. So this is the expenditure of Bipin. Now, X is equal to this much. Now we are supposed to find out what his savings is. So in order to find out the savings, we have to multiply this X with 4/7. Therefore, savings equal to Bipin's savings equal to 4/7 into 28,000 divided by 3, right? So you are going to get some value, but whatever that value is, the main point here is we are able to get the answer, right? So by using the information given in statement number 1, we are able to get the answer, right? Now if you look at the information given in statement number 2, their savings are in the ratio 6:5. So here they have directly given us the savings. Now what happens is, initially income ratio is given. Now income of Bipin is to income of Mithun is equal to 7:5, and their expenditures are given in the ratio 2:3, and their savings are given in the ratio by using this statement 6:5. Now if you observe it, all are given in ratios, right? Now if you try to solve it, if you try to use the equation that income minus expenditure equal to savings, then you are going to get 2 equations and then 3 variables. So how is it possible is, if you assume that this one is 7x and 5x, and if you assume that this one is 2y and 3y, and if you assume that this is 6z and 5z, then you are going to get 7x minus 2y equal to 6z, that is one equation, and the other equation is going to be 5x minus 3y equal to 5z. So we are going to have 2 equations and 3 variables, and you will not be able to solve anything there. Therefore you will not be able to get savings of Bipin. Therefore, using only information given in statement number 1, you will be able to answer the question, and using the information given in statement number 2, you will not be able to answer the question. So this question falls under the option 1. So option 1 is the answer for this one. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.